Good evening, everybody. Crypto Strang here. This evening, we'll talk about HAZE Finance. Been reading up on many projects this week, and to me, this one is the one that stuck out a lot with the way they're doing it all differently and the different concept to DeFi. I really am got a lot of very bullish on HAZE Finance. HAZE. Current price $6.61. It's all-time lows in the last 24 hours of $4.50. In the last 24 hours, I had a high of $8.26. Its all-time high was earlier in the week when it reached $9.51. The volume in the last 24 hours, 635,000, up 163%. The max supply is only 1 million tokens, which is incredible to see. So HAZE Finance is a BSC, Binance Smart Chain. I read up they were originally going to go on Ethereum because of the gas fees. They've gone with Binance Smart Chain. You can see there are many projects until Ethereum 2.0 comes out. Many people use Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Polkadot, Tezos, etc. You know, and it's the first private transactions protocol with yield capability. They've introduced a new concept to the DeFi ecosystem called frequency mining, which is completely different to the traditional mining that we all know. Okay, there's no APY in frequency mining because basically the users get rewarded with HAZE tokens every time they deposit into their protocol, and they can repeatedly deposit, withdraw, and redeposit using the same funds, and they'll get the rewards. So meaning users can basically achieve a lot with just a small capital. Very different concept, very exciting concept. They launched this feature on March the 5th, so it's a really new project. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, it's a BUSD token, BEP20. Very exciting. Sort of going away from traditional yield farming. I really do like this project for the fact it's just trying a different section to it. So it states there on their website, hazefinance.org, DeFi Private Transactions Protocol. You go down here, the total volume, you can see how much total volume, actually huge of all time. 24 hours alone, $402,000 on their app. We'll show the app in a minute. HAZE staking rewards, HAZE token supply. See there, 413,505, and the max price is only 1 million. So basically got 41% out there. Absolutely incredible for such a new project to have a high volume in circulation already because of the rewards. Go on their official medium, hazefinance.medium.com. It talks about tokenomics, the staking, liquidity mining, the profit sharing, and more. And you go through exactly what it is. I put the link below so you can read up yourself. It talks about the BEP20 token there, the token distribution, 60% to the frequency mining, deposit rewards. It's talking about rewards people get by using their app. And we'll go through the exact rewards you get. But 60% of the token distributions for that, 20% to LP mining, 10% to the team, 10% to marketing, locked in treasury. Why HAZE token? Got all the information here. Frequency mining, as we said, you get the rewards by using. You know, basically if you load up BUSD, they can be adding more tokens as well. Use that, you get HAZE tokens in return. Absolutely fantastic. The LP mining, where users can contribute to liquidity pool of HAZE, BNB, and paying Pancake Swap. The only exchange you can get it on. Stake their LP tokens in HAZE's finance platform. The profit sharing. This was interesting. HAZE Finance charges 0.5% of the deposit amount as a protocol's fees where users withdraw funds from the protocol. HAZE token stakers will receive 40% of the profit earned by the protocol. So you can see by holding your HAZE how much you can build it up. Absolutely incredible. And you can imagine how big this could grow. The potential is such a low supply and so much out there. So states their users can then burn their HAZE tokens. They want to unstake and they'll receive their HAZE tokens back along with the fees earned. The other 30% of the profit goes to the team, and the remaining 30% will be locked into the treasury. The governance. HAZE token is also a governance token that allows the holders to vote on the decisions and directions of the protocol. That's great, you know, that's another part of it. Makes it decentralised. Also, the future. We have plans to launch on Ethereum and other blockchain ecosystems. But buying and holding HAZE now is buying into a part of the optimistic future. Again, you've got to do your own research, but you can see the difference here. Sort of reading up on HAZE opens your mind up to the possibilities of the frequency mining, the profit sharing with these low cap gems. And because it's such a new project, when we actually get the markup, it's so interesting to see how quick it rises up on CoinMarketCap. They're very active on social media, got the links there below, their Twitter, the Telegram, the Medium, the GitHub. They've given an update on the frequency mining rewards emission rate update, basically. And it states there the current HAZE finance frequency mining reward system has a preset standard reward. For every 1k deposit, users get 1.5 HAZE, 10k for 6.75. As they develop and they get more people, much more volume, and the community gets bigger, for Monday just gone, March the 15th, HAZE Finance reduced its frequency mining reward emission rate. So moving forward, The team has decided to reduce 0.2% reward for every 1 million total volume. This will be applied to remain at 800 million volumes. During this period, a total of 240k HAZE tokens will be released as rewards for 800 million total volume. So another 240,000 released. It's incredible. I'm sure the supply will be out there at this rate in such a long time. Then you can see the HAZE token going up in price. You know, that's huge potential for that. But as I say, it's not financial advice, so do your own research. But it's dreadful. So much information. As I say, I'll put the link below. But so much going on, and you can see how they're planning with that. And I think as they develop with the HAZE, will become like part of the community to hold your HAZE. I'm going to certainly be going into it. You go on their actual app.hazefinance.org. There is other options there, but basically you've got your deposit. So look, your BUSD. So you put in there what you want to do. 1k, as I say, you get like half a HAZE, and obviously put 10k, get more in. But it gives you a lot of potential as you keep doing the deposit, the withdrawal. It's got this mining, the state. You can see you can build up your HAZE. It's an excellent exchange. I really do like this. It seems very interesting the way they're going about it. I say perhaps I need to do a video of connecting your MetaMask. If people want me to do a dedicated MetaMask video, or perhaps I'll start a whole new MetaMask account just to show you, or my for wallet, something like that, let me know and I'll do that video. I've used it obviously many times, but I just like this. So it also states that HAZE Finance is still an experimental software. It states there, read your guide and use your own risk. So some people might prefer just to hold their HAZE on PancakeSwap and see how it develops. Me personally, I'm going to try this deposit and withdraw, see how it goes, and as it develops. So, as I say, I'm constantly reading up on these low cap gems. To me, this is one that stuck out a lot, massively, purely because of the frequency mining. The fact also, very interesting, and it's the first private transactions protocol with yield capability. I thought that was really interesting. I spoke many times before about private coins and tokens, talked about many times, and the fact we've now got a Binance Smart Chain, low cap, DeFi with first private transactions protocol, yield capability, the frequency mining. It's a really solid, interesting project. So HAZE Finance, going to keep an eye on this. I'll do another video update soon as they issue more news and as their exchange develops. Let's see how much HAZE is in circulation in 1 month, 2 months time, whatever. So I'll keep you posted on HAZE. I'm very bullish on this project. We'll see how it develops. Thanks very much. Appreciate you listening. We'll do another video very soon. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.